Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Margaret, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so by clicking on the subscribe button below and tapping on the notification bell so that you'll be aware of new uploads. So please don't mind my voice. I'm already in bed, and yeah, I just want to share how to make your own avatar. So again, go to Facebook, go to this tab here, and then scroll up where it says see more and then avatars. You will see your avatar, but if you have not made it yet, you can actually make it by changing your skin tone. It has light to dark skin, and then change your hair, the color, the face shape, complexion, if you have lines on your face, eye shape, eye color, if you want to wear makeup. Makeup basically is the eyelash, and then your eyebrows. You want to choose the shape, which color it is. If you have eyewear, you can choose it. If not, you can go with the plain color of the eyewear is not available. Nose, no shape, lips, and if you wish to have different lipstick color, and then facial hair for men, no available facial hair color. For body shape, you can choose whatever body shape you have. No to body shaming. And then for the outfit, I already went for the scarf because that's my trademark, but you can always choose whatever outfit you are comfortable with. And then for the headwear, we also have hijab here for Muslim friends, caps and snow caps, yeah, for French people. Color, no available headwear color for such avatar. And then your bindi, earrings, and nose ring. I forgot to have earrings. This is my earring. Yeah. And then you're done, right? And then this is your avatar. It will load, save changes, you click on next, use your avatar in comments. Okay, next. This is your avatar. Okay, so you can choose whichever you'd like to share in your newsfeed, or just skip it for now, and you can go back to that section later on. So the great thing is you can share it here to your newsfeed or set it as your profile picture. And then if you want to comment on posts, let's comment on Shani Montero's avatar. You can go here to the smiley and then choose your avatar. And then let's say this is my comment. I don't want to place anything, or woohoo. Oh my god. Woohoo. Oh yeah, that's so me. Alright, so that's my avatar comment with words here on top. That will be seen by Jenny. Hi Jenny. So that's it. I hope you liked and you learned something from my vlog today. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. If you want to show your support to my channel, kindly click on the subscribe button. Again, this is Margrette. Yeah, I have a temporary profile. I have not changed my profile pic to an avatar, but I've shared my photo. Oh my gosh, noise! Photo in my timeline and in my Facebook page. Thank you so much for watching this short video. Hope to see you in my next vlog. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you so much. Noisy kitty! Bye, lovies. Bye!